Unpacking the High-Flying Lifestyle. What does jet setter mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, jet setter. So fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to take off into the world of language. In this section, we'll explore where jet setter came from and how it has flown into our everyday language. The term originated in the 1950s, a time when commercial air travel became more accessible to the public, albeit still quite glamorous. It was used to describe wealthy individuals who could afford to hop on jets to travel the world for fun. Now, let's zoom into what jet setter means today. It's not just about the rich and famous anymore. A jet setter is someone who travels frequently, often to exotic and fashionable places. They're seen as trendy, well-connected, and having a passion for travel and culture. Let's put our knowledge to the test. How do we use jet setter in everyday conversation? I'll give you some sentences to illustrate its use. With all your trips to Europe, you're turning into quite the jet setter. She lives a jet setter lifestyle, always on the move and attending high-profile events. Curious about what a jet setter's life entails? This section will give you a peek into the suitcase of a person who's always on the go. From luxury travel to impromptu weekend getaways, the jet setter lifestyle is all about spontaneity and the love of new experiences. And that's a wrap on jet setter. We hope you've enjoyed this linguistic journey and feel ready to use your new vocabulary with confidence. Remember, while we can't all be jet setters, we can definitely add a little bit of their style and zest for life into our everyday adventures. Safe travels and happy learning. Until next time.